Hi everyone, I'm Maria Lourdes Milazo Paca from Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, fourth year student, and welcome to this short but meaningful video on physical ergonomics and how our bodies interact with the spaces we work and move in every day. So, what is ergonomics? Ergonomics is the science of designing environment, tools, and the tasks to fit people who use them. It's all about making work and life more efficient, comfortable, and safe. So there are the three types of ergonomics. We have the physical ergonomics, which focuses on the posture, movement, and the body mechanics. And the next one is the cognitive ergonomics, which deals with mental process like decision making and attention. And the last one is organizational ergonomics, which look at the systems, teamwork, and workflows. So in this video, we'll talk about the physical ergonomics. And I'll show you 5 common ways on how your body can get stressed, like bad posture, doing the same motion over and over, and overlifting things the wrong way. So with a few easy changes, you can feel better and work more comfortably. So, start with the basic and move with purpose. So, each of these tasks may seem small, but over time, they can lead to discomfort, fatigue, or even injury if we're not mindful. So, the good news is, simple adjustments like using proper lifting techniques, evaluating your screen, or supporting your back can make a big difference. So, physical ergonomics isn't just about our safety, but it's all about self-care. It's about honoring our bodies while we serve others, work hard, and move through our daily life. When we move smarter, we feel better. And when we feel better, we show up stronger for ourselves and for those who's around us. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope these tips help you create a more comfortable, supportive space wherever you are. So stay kind to your body and keep moving intention. Thank you!